Shut up! Freaking cut your toes off one by one and then feed it to my freaking pig. Oh. Did you see that?
No!
No? Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm a new recruit, I help, shut the people up, cut a few toes, cut a few arms, few hands, few heads, bag them up, put them in the van. Huh? Oh, no. So, what are you into? Demonic stuff? Me too! I love demonic. I am a satanic person. Oh, demon devils. No angels, just freaking devil horns. Yes, it's me. Life is just so beautiful. Yeah. Do nothing. Where's my knife? Son! Stop! Did you see that?
No!
Yeah. Okay. We're about to play a game called GoodNight, and the person that made this game is no other than Solitary Games. Enough chit chat. It's game time. You are driving in a blank place of a storm comes in. Okay. That's wonderful. Okay, we're on a motorcycle? Alright, nice. The storm doesn't seem to calm down. I need to find shelter. Yeah, we need to find shelter. Oh, we're off the bike now. Alrighty. Alright, we need to find shelter. Do we just keep going straight? Hopefully. Hey, man, subscribe, guys, because, man, subscribe. Okay, we can't go that way. Oh, okay, so this is the shelter, right? Okay. Hopefully. E to enter, okay. This place looks so creepy and abandoned, but I have no choice. Yeah. Like, man. What the freak are you doing? Guys, if you was in this... If you was in this situation, what the freak would you do? Tell me. No. I can't be alone, man. I need somebody... visible in my surroundings.
Don't be scared.
To be with me at all times to go somewhere like this. And then you gotta watch out for that person, because that person might stab you in the back. So, let's see what the freak we got here, because this stuff is crazy. I hope the storm will stop. Yeah, I hope I do too. Okay. What are we looking for? What the freak is... I'm only gonna see that on the side. We can't leave. I can't do this. I can't do this. It's quiet. Pure, bro. It's quiet. Like, I am lost. Like, my boys. Okay, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Once you hear a noise like that, you're dead, guys. I don't care. You're dead. What the freak is going on? Hello? Anybody there? Hello? Hello? Oh my God, I swear I heard a footstep. Footstep? We're dead. We're freaking dead. We've been in this freaking shadow for 3 hours straight. Can I please go home? See, look. No. No, no, no! I can't do this. I need to walk away, you know, and never come back. Man. Oh God, we had some gasoline on our motorcycle. We had a little bit of juice. We could have left. You guys don't know how scary that was. I tried to move back and I couldn't move back. It was because of that right there. But what the heck is that? Ah! Okay. Well, what we got here? We got a white chick with a white dress with blood at the bottom. What a coincidence. She's trying to kill us. So we're gonna play a game called Back That A Up. So, yeah. We're gonna back, you know. You know, and see if we can run to this front door and, you know, get the freak out of there! Of course they want us to go to it. I'ma just do it. No, I'ma just do it. You don't shush me. Be quiet. No. Okay. You know, man, I got snaggy baggies, man. I got freaking, what's that thing you like? She like that spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes, bro. You want Chick-fil-A, man, you know, they got, lemonade, ah!
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
I don't care. Okay. That was the game. How you guys like it? Look, man. Look! It's a lot of things that go on. But this was another game. It was scary.
No!
It was terrifying.
No!
It made me pee in my drawers.
No!
No cap. Like, no cap, man. I'm gonna create my own dance. It's gonna call Hit That Rabby Batty.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no.
I'm so sorry.
I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you did. And I hope you hit that like button. And I hope you hit that subscribe button. Because if you didn't, well, guys, like and subscribe. Katana Special out. Peace.